ready?
Yes.
I'm going to attempt to try to use this. This is a really good leave-in conditioner by Lustrous Pink Kids. I've been using it for years, but I'm almost out. But I'm gonna try. So like Zara said, in this video, I will be showing you how I do her space buns with beads and ribbons added to it. Right here you can see me parting her hair down the middle of her head. I try to get the perfect part, so I start in the back and then I move my way to the front to get it perfectly centered as possible so that her space buns are not crooked or just looking weird. I didn't want to forget to mention I did wash her hair before starting it. We shampooed it, conditioned it, and so her hair was fresh and ready to go for the style. After I parted her hair down the middle, I went to the front to make some parts for the bangs, to not forget those, because sometimes she does space buns without bangs, so I didn't want to forget the bangs because she would be pretty upset. Right here, I am starting on her ends and combing through some of the curls, trying to get rid of the tangles that curly hair can sometimes give so that these can be perfect space buns. Right here, I am hydrating her hair with some water. That's what is in the spray bottle. I'm trying to get it all moisturized to prepare for the leave-in conditioner I'm about to put in her hair. Right here, I am showing you guys the consistency of this leave-in conditioner. It is one of my favorites. I literally have 2 bottles. And I'm trying to squeeze all of it out and use it in her hair. But yes, I do need to get another bottle very soon. Right here, I am creating 2 ponytails before I actually create the space buns. My poor baby is so tired, but she really wanted to get these space buns done. Look at that smile. If I haven't mentioned yet, I am using a brush to get her space buns as smooth as possible, so it's a polished finish. And I do add rubber bands to her ponytails because this is the only thing that give her a really good hold on her ponytails, because over time her ponytails will loosen up even with the rubber bands, and then the style wouldn't look the same and it doesn't last as long. So yes, I use rubber bands for it.
You want light pink bows or dark pink bows? Or do you want the clear ones? These ones?
As you can see, I give her options of what she wants. If I know she likes pink, or she's going to be wearing pink, or whatever color she's going to be wearing the next day, I give her a variation of options around that color. Just so she could have some control over what she's wearing, how she wants her hairstyle, her accessories. And actually, she the one who said she wanted beads and ribbons in her hair, so that's what we're going with today. I told her that these little pigtails on her was really cute even without the space buns. So maybe next time we can create a style with just the 2 ponytails and some bangs, or however she want to do it.
So you want beads? You sure?
Next time, I'll do 1 bun and 2 braids. That'd be so cute.
Okay. Do you want pink and white beads? Pink, white, and clear? Pink and clear? Which ones?
Pink and white. It's gonna go white first, then pink second.
Okay.
Oh, that's red beads. I wish we had teal beads.
Yeah.
Let's buy teal beads anyways.
Gotta think about it. If I find some. If I find some, I'll get them, okay?
Okay. And we match this.
Yeah.
I know I just look like a 15-year-old.
Really?
I'm looking at the little red thing. Whatever you're putting on my hair, it's like a puff. Don't be so angry.
Who's angry?
Right here, I am prepping to put her pink and white beads in her hair.
Is this okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And my teacher sees me wearing this, she's like, oh wow, it's so cute. And she's gonna show me jokes.
Really? Does
Yep.
she usually do that sometimes?
Yep. And she showed Callie's hair at
Really?
school. I saw her with new hairstyle. The rainbow, I love the rainbow. It looks like my pink and white pants when I was little. I love the rainbow. I love the rainbow. We're actually not done. Oh, I like that little heart.
What heart?
The little red heart. Do you think is a beater that you put on your hair? How do you know that? A little beater. You will pick the beater.
Right here, I am adding her baby hair swoops to her edges. starting to add the ribbons to her hair.
Like that, or? Let me see. It's cute. I love it. Right here, I am showing you guys the finished results. We have the beads added to her bangs and the ribbons added to her space buns. And this is a polished look. It is very pretty. And she feels like a ballerina in this. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.